Welcome to Reading Files. Files are how programs persist data beyond a single run. Python's built-in open function gives you access to any file. Always use the with statement. It guarantees the file is closed when you are done, even if an error occurs. With open creates a file object. The file is automatically closed when the with block ends. Read loads the entire file as one string. Print the file contents. Iterate directly over the file object, one line per iteration. Memory efficient for large files. Always specify encoding to avoid surprises with non-ASCII characters. File reading is fundamental. Logs, configs, data files, your programs will read from files constantly. Welcome to Writing Files. Writing to a file is how your program saves its results. Open with mode W to create or overwrite. Open with mode A to append without destroying existing content. The second argument is the mode. W creates the file if it does not exist, or overwrites if it does. Write takes a string. Note the \n, write does not add a new line automatically. Readlines takes an iterable of strings and writes them all. Again, new lines must be added manually. W destroys and recreates. A adds to the end. For log files, always use append mode. File writing lets your programs save results, generate reports, and communicate with other systems. Welcome to working with file paths. When you open a file, Python needs to know where to find it. That location is a file path. Relative paths are relative to where your script runs from. Absolute paths point to the exact location on the file system. Pathlib is the modern way to work with file paths in Python. It handles Windows backslashes and Unix forward slashes automatically. The slash operator joins path components, works on all operating systems. Exists, returns true if the file is there. Path objects have properties for each part of the path. Name, suffix, and parent, no string splitting required. mdir creates the directory. Parents equals true creates all intermediate directors exist _ok equals true avoids an error if it already exists. Pathlib makes path handling cross-platform and readable. Use it for all new code. Welcome to practical examples. Now let's put everything together. Real file processing means reading input, handling errors, processing the data, and writing output. This is the pattern behind most data scripts in the world. A function that takes input and output file paths. Check the input exists before trying to read. Raise a clear error if not, do not let Python's generic message confuse the user. Read all lines, strip white space, skip blank lines, one list comprehension. Write the processed output. Each line uppercased, a placeholder for whatever real processing your task needs. You made it through the full Python Foundations course. Variables, functions, loops, data structures, error handling, file I/O, these are the tools professional Python developers use every single day. Now go build something. If this lesson helped you, smash that like button and share it with a friend who's learning Python. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. And continue your full learning journey for free at pylearn.saypeace.ng.